Welcome aboard, everyone. Test one. What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it? Michael Othrow. Are you ready? It is the afternoon live session. It is Monday afternoon. Welcome back. It is August 12th, 2024. And holy shnikes, you guys are running out of time. What do you mean? What, running out of time for what, Vinny? What, we got an hour left in the market. Oh, yeah, that's true. That's true. However, you are running out of time for the back to school offer. And don't forget, if you sign up before the 15th, that's 3 more days. Well, before Friday. We'll just say Friday. Okay, before Friday, I'm giving you 3 one-on-one mentorship sessions with me during your 120-day program. Every 40 days, you get to sit down and have a chat with me. We haven't done that in a very long time. We have scaled so large that I was unable to keep up with that. However, for this back-to-school very special offer, including the fact that we now have a payment program thanks to PayPal's awesome payment team. They've got it set up so you can also do a payment plan on that $24.99 offer there. It is available there on the website now. Click on the special offer link at the top, and you're getting 3 sessions with me between every 40 days. So if you're doing the 120-day program, at the end of your 40 days, you will have a chat with me. I will review everything you are doing with you, one-on-one sessions with me for free, just for hanging out and being cool with the B. Let's go. It is 3:03. We have little time left. 57 minutes left. I am over my 4K target, 4,500, riding that middle section there with the Enigmas into the afternoon. We'll be updating the morning session there. That trade worked out well for me. And let's see, currently in the afternoon, we are sitting here, obviously, kind of stuck in the middle. So let's zoom back out. We've got 5 trades to reset here. So let's reset these on my board up top here on my electronic version of my trade tracker. Let's flip those coins back over. I've got 5 ready to go. People ask all the time, what does TIW stand for, Vinny? Well, I'm glad you asked. Toe in the water. Toe in the water for my first trade. Toe in the water. 2-ish contracts, 2 to 4. Quarter position, 4 or more. Half, 8, or 8 or 10 usually. Full position for me is 16 to 20. Full plus, 24 to 30. If I'm maxing out absolutely on the maximum. 40 if I'm in a live account. If I am trading on an Apex account, like we are now, they've got their maxes there set for you at 30 and 35 contracts, which is pretty darn good if you are on the 300K accounts. Don't forget, use code AlgoBox to get the best offers on Apex. So we've got a special deal worked out for them. All you got to do is type in the code AlgoBox and you're going to get the deepest discount. So whatever it is, if it's 80% off, 50% off, 70% off, you're always going to know you're getting the absolute best offer. You don't have to worry, well, I got to go check the coupon codes. Let me go see who's got the best coupon codes. AlgoBox will always have the best coupon codes because Apex and AlgoBox start with an A and end with an X. Yeah, that's a pretty weak reason there, Vinny. That's probably not why. Yeah, it's not. It's not. Okay, let's just be honest. But we're just having too much fun, I tell you. Too much fun. It's never not fun to win, in my opinion. Let's see. Prior low. Hanging right up underneath the prior low. I still think if we're going to move in the afternoon, we have a final hour, and I see S2 and S3 just begging us. If you guys remember from this morning's stream, go back and watch to see what my prediction was from this morning, and let's see how that plays out, if it plays out here this afternoon. Let me get you guys on the screen. Let's pull up our chats with everybody. How's everybody doing? Give me a shout out there in the chat. Tell me where you're from. And what is your favorite AlgoBox strategy entry setup? How about that? Tell me in the chat. Oh, that's a good point, Epic Futures. Don't forget to hit that like button. Another thing not to forget is turn off that real-time protection so it's not slowing up your PC. Speaking of slow, currently the action is at a 2. So I'm going to sit on hands here for a little bit until we get a little bit of speed. Easy one to avoid right here. Why? What is our favorite reason to avoid an Enigma entry? Why did I skip this one minutes ago there at about 5 minutes before the top of the hour? What's it called? The Megalodon. Holy shnikes. I almost forgot about the Megalodon. You guys don't let me forget about the Megalodon, please. We are going to coin that phrase. Missile, make sure we get that Megalodon. Type it there in the premium member chat to remind us to put in the Megalodon strategy into our documentation. Somebody, let's see who remembers. This is super bonus if you can remember. What are the components of a Megalodon entry? Let's see who gets that one. Yes, the flatline. We were looking for the flatline. That is the perfect reason for me to skip on that one. Yes, flatline, and look at it right there. Flat line, came into the flatline like a boss. Those are going to be a bit more difficult, and oftentimes might be one that I could reverse, in fact. So if I'd been really cool, Johnny on the spot, I would have reversed that, but I was liking where I'm sitting there, 4,500 there on the day, and I'm going to be looking for perfect play setups here this afternoon to add to that. And I've got 5 trades laid out here for me to get my winner chicken dinner, which means I'm looking for 2 winners out of 5 plays, plus particularly a bonus. Yes, Petro remembers. Petro, let's give the man a hand. That is a bonus question, and he just knocked it. That's probably the wrong one. There we go. Petro coming out with the real answers. He remembers. He's been hanging out in the live streams, you could tell, because that was one that we just kind of made up the other day. So a shark. But if everybody knows that, what's the biggest shark? Ask my son. He's now 5 years old. He just had a birthday, so he's 5 now. No longer can say I got a 4-year-old. I got a 5-year-old now. And he would tell Daddy, he'd say, Daddy, Megalodon. Megalodon is the biggest shark, Daddy. It's the biggest. The big, big shark, Daddy. That's right. So, if you get a shark, but it's not a shark tail. If you get a shark, then an alpha omega cross behind it. That is the AO. At the back of the shark, so here's one possibly laying out right here. If this turns into a Megalodon, obviously since I'm talking about it, I need to take the play. I'm going to have to take it. So if back behind here, behind the shark, if it ends up turning into a shark tail, meaning we have something at the tail, but it is an alpha omega, then it is a monster shark, and that would be a Megalodon trade. So I will take a Megalodon here if I get an alpha omega behind the shark. Make sense? The Shark Daddy, that's right. And yes, we all know the Baby Shark song. Baby shark doot 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 doot. Baby shark doot 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 doot. Baby shark doot 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 doot. Grandpa shark doot 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 doot. Grandpa shark doot 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 doot. Grandpa shark doot 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 doot. Grandpa shark. Now, all of you parents who have small children, you're having PTSD right now as you're thinking about how that song is now going to get stuck in your head, and you're going to be saying, Daddy shark doot 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 doot. Daddy shark doot 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 doot. Daddy shark doot 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 doot. The rest of the day now, because you know how that song gets stuck in your head, and like it doesn't matter what you try to do. It's impossible to remove it from your mind. Once it's planted there, you're like, I'm brushing my teeth, and I'm like, stop it! Yeah, good luck with that. It doesn't work. I've tried to erase it. Anybody have a solution for that? Anybody have a solution for how to get the Baby Shark song out of your head when your kids turn it on? Yeah, that song is catchy. It is. It so is. And that's why your kids sing it, and that's why they want to play it all the time. It's like, Daddy, play Baby Shark. So it's like, oh, bath time, and it's like, Daddy, play Baby Shark. Okay, here we go. Thank goodness for Alexa. Don't say her name out loud or she turns, you know, she gets turned on. It's really scary. Alexa, shut up. You know, I'm looking over to the right now and like doing the side eye thing because I'm scared that she's going to do something to me while I'm sleeping. Anybody else scared of their Alexa? That she's listening all the time? Thanks for that. You are welcome. Drink water from the opposite rim of a cup. Ooh, that. Oh wait, that's for hiccups. Oh, dadgummit. Cannot erase, you must replace. That is so true. I'm telling you guys, y'all gotta watch out for Pip. The man is a genius. He is a savant. He's like a sage. You leave her off. You turn the Alexa off. Your cell phones are listening all the time. I know. I need to put that thing in a Faraday cage inside of a foam sack. A good hammer to the hand will fix the problem. Oof. That is a way to replace it, I guess. So in order to erase, you must replace. So yeah, I got to come up with another song. Who's got another catchy song that like you want to sing? I'm thinking, who's got a 90s song that we can get stuck in our head? Oh, I know. I was walking through the grocery store the other day. It was me and my littlest. Me and the little dude. The other day, and we grabbed some watermelon, and we're going down this aisle, and all of a sudden he's kind of bebopping and whatnot, and I'm like, wait, I haven't heard this song in forever. Y'all know what it was? Let's play it. Wait, Vinny, but what about your monetization? What are you not going to be able to make it? Monetization, come on. Only losers make money on YouTube. Yes, that's right. All of you be offended. ICT, your son, who's now also on YouTube, and Caleb, and Pocket Pooper, and Schwartz, Schwans, Tiny Schwans. I make money on YouTube. Yeah, it's cute. It's cute. Vinny's like, what song do you want to play? All right. I'm going to show you guys a song that came up. I'm pretty sure. I don't know which one it was, though. I just know who it was. So let's see. The very first one that comes. Here we go. Are you ready? I don't think y'all are ready for this. Like, nobody's going to guess this song. Okay, I'll give you guys an opportunity to guess. I will give you a hint. Definitely 90s. Okay, it was definitely a 90s song. And this song came on while I was walking around the grocery store, so that should also tell you it's probably not some crazy heavy metal. I'm just giving you some tips and hints, all right? So I really want somebody to guess this, but like I do not think anyone will guess this. And if you do, then God divinely put this in your mind, okay? And I really want to shake your hand, okay? So let's see who the good Lord above is going to speak to today. If you guess the song that was playing in the grocery store that I was like, oh shoot, I got to pull this up, and I pulled it up on my phone. I did that little Shazam thing. First of all, let me back up. Does anybody know what Shazam is? Somebody type in the chat what Shazam is for everybody. If you don't know what Shazam is, it's pretty cool. If you ever don't know what a song is, of course, yes, I know Google has one too now. But dude, I'm an old schooler. I got Shazam installed on my phone, so I can literally reach over and I put it on one of those little widgets on my phone, so I can scroll to the right a couple of pages and then tap Shazam, and then boom, I can just click it if there's a song on that I want to know and save. So it automatically saves it to your playlist, and it's like, oh, here's the name of the song, and then it like starts giving you the lyrics too. It's really freaking creepy. Okay. So anyways, I Shazam this song. Let's see if anybody want to guess what the song was. 90s jam. Gets stuck in your head like crazy. Yeah, it's an app that tells you what song is playing. Yeah, it can listen to it. It's crazy. First letter of the artist. Okay, I'll give you that too. Starts with an A. Like AlgoBox and Apex. Starts with an A. Shazam can listen to the song and tell you what it is. Yeah, and not only that, then it starts playing the lyrics. Have y'all seen that it plays the lyrics now? That's new. That's a new feature, but it can now play the lyrics.
Yeah.
Ooh, Alien Ant Farm is a very good guess. But it's not that one. Aerosmith, another good guess. That is totally 90s. You know it. And those are some good jams. Totally great guesses. But this is what I mean by like this thing, when you hear it, let's see who can guess what this is. I'm going to play the song and not tell you what it is and see who can guess what it is. Can we hear a couple bars? Oh yeah, I'm absolutely going to play it here in just a second. Anybody else want to guess what this song was? Or even the band. All right, it's insane. ABBA? Ooh, another good guess. Enigma, Return to Innocence. Is that a real band? Apple bought Shazam for $400 million. Is that true? AC/DC, another great band. See what I'm saying? Y'all are guessing really good ones, but I think this is one that like, it's so weird that it came up and it was playing in the grocery store right now in 2024. Okay, crazy. All right. Y'all had some great guesses. Seriously. Have you ever seen The Rain? Who sings that one? I don't know. I feel like I want to know that song. Have you ever seen The Rain? That sounds awesome. Hold on, let me put that in my list. Have you ever seen? I'm going to put that. That sounds like a cool song. I feel like, would I know that one? Creedence Clearwater Revival. Okay, I'm going to check that one out here in a little bit. All right, I'm playing the song. Are you ready? Alice in Chains, another good guess because it starts with A. Jump Around by who? Jump Around. Jump, jump, jump. Crisscross, is that right? Crisscross? Crisscross and make you jump, jump, jump around. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Yes, it's 2 BPM right now. It's like 2 bars per minute. Probably doesn't need to be taking any trades right now, so let's just wait. We got about 15 minutes till the bottom of the hour. All right, here we go. Here's the song. Here's what played, y'all. Are you ready? I don't think y'all are ready for this. Ace of Base, Josh. Yes. Yes, bro. It's Ace of Base, and the song starts with all, with an A. All that she wants. Yes. All that she wants. Josh comes down with it first. The Ace of Base, bro. It is a good song, right? It's like one of those classics that you totally just forgot, and you're like, you know what? That needs to be in a playlist. You know what I'm saying? It's like it's Friday night, and you know the kids are in bed, and you need to go out and hang out in the pool, and you're like, let's turn on some Ace of Base. Come on. And then you're thinking, Ace of Base. It's super bassy. And then you realize it's a chick singing. It's like, there's so many cool conundrums about this that it's awesome, right? Yes, Ace of Base. All That She Wants comes on in the grocery store, and my littlest, Vinny E. Micro, is like bouncing his head. He's like, yeah, what's this song, Daddy? And I'm like, you missed out on the 90s, son, but don't worry, Daddy's gonna hook you up. Yeah, on the 90s mix for the pool, right? Insights about the time and sales. Yes, let's talk about that. She's going to get ya. Yeah, best era for songs. Oh, yeah. Some songs you don't hear it for so long and you hear it randomly somewhere, refresh your day. Oh, it's totally true. It brings you, it's almost like I got time warped. I felt younger almost instantly. Vinny E. Micro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I got a Vincent Jr., so we call him Vinny E. Micro. I'm Vinny E. Mini, he's Vinny E. Micro. You know, 10th of my size. I mean, it's kind of true. Yeah, he's like 23 pounds, and I'm like 230 pounds, so it's literally a 10th of Vinny, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of things going on there with that. I should probably lose some weight. Yeah, I'm adding this to my playlist. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna be playing this in the night. It's gonna get stuck in my head. How does it affect your trading? Well, obviously, I'm trading better right now. I'm up 4,500 on the day, and I'm barely trying. So I think it helps a lot. Music does impact you. It's totally clinically proven. Yeah, he's a fractal of Vinny. Yes, 1/10. Josh got that in one bar. Yeah, dude. Josh was on it. You could tell he's a 90s fan. He knew exactly what it was. When it was on in the grocery store, I didn't actually have to look it up. I was like, oh my goodness, they are literally playing Ace of Base. I was like, I love this grocery store. It's Walmart Marketplace near the house. It's awesome. Yeah, it was great. These people know what's up. I was like, it's a good day. Let's save that one and share it with my crew, because I love you guys. DJ Vinny. Oh yeah. Considered using Shazam. It's really handy, I'm telling you. I'll show you a screenshot of like what my phone looks like on that page. Like I scroll over to the right and it's just like there, and I can just click it. It's like tap to Shazam now. Cool. It's not a major app thing, but I'll post it in Discord. Yeah, so if you click it as a widget, you literally just scroll to the right and just boom, tap it. You don't have to do anything. It just instantly starts listening. It's pretty cool. If you add it as a widget, so you have to hold, so if you install Shazam, now hold your thumb on one of your home screens, hold it, and then it's like add widget, and then point it to Shazam, and then make it whatever size you want. I've got mine to like 4 squares for size, so I don't miss it. I can just, because you know how it is, like what happens if the song's almost over? You're like, oh, get my Shazam, hurry, what's the name of the song? You're like flip, 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 flip. And sometimes it's not like I knew this song, Ace of Base had come on, I'm like, oh, this needs to be on my fresh playlist. But if you Shazam it, it'll automatically add it to your kind of your playlist of things you've searched for. So you can be like, what was that song the other day? Go back in your Shazam list and be like, oh yeah, it was that song. Classical musician here. No, I could do it without Shazam. I know, it's so good, right? You're like, oh man, what is this song? Yeah, I want to go back and play it. 80s hair band, 90s alternative, all day here. Yeah, bro. 100%. Oh, you're talking about the time and sales? The question from the earlier morning, how does it affect your trading? Could you share some insights? It doesn't. It doesn't anymore. what I like to see on time and sales. So he's asking about the time and sales here. So I'll bring this over here, and do I want to resize it? Let me see how I have this sized currently. It was a little under. All right, I'll be able to figure it out. So time and sales. So inside of this, when I was coding, I will say this is more important. Okay, so I wanted to see certain events that occur, and I wanted to see when they coincide with other things, and I want to see clusters of clusters. For instance, if I wanted to see clusters of clusters, how would I see that without using time and sales? So time and sales, like, it's harder to read here. If we were putting this on NASDAQ, so let me, in fact, oh, I think this is on NASDAQ. That's what's funny. Oh, look, this isn't even color coded. That's funny. Instruments, so this actually is in Q because I didn't change it, and it's not color coded to blue. See the blue up top? You can't see the blue up top because the little thingy's covering it. Anyway, it's a blue. See it? Blue up there. So this one has a blank, so that means it didn't change when I switched instruments. Isn't that funny? So I've got NASDAQ down here. So you can tell it's not important at all. Let's go look at, so ES. Let's look at the difference. See that 30 block, 12 block coming through? So I've got those marked particularly on the time and sales. Again, basically not useful. Here you go. See, not impactful to my current trading at all because I have built this stuff into our system. So the answer is, you don't have to use it at all. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool, eh? Good day, mate. Don't need it to tell. I needed it when I was coding. I was looking for patterns inside of, you know, anybody can, you know, catch a block. Doesn't mean anything. But there are patterns internal to the time and sales window that I wanted to search out and find, that I hypothesized first. Like, I got a hypothesis. How do you prove a hypothesis in science? First you come up with the idea, you think something might be, then you have to prove it out. And then you have to prove out, is there any statistical relevance? Is there an efficacy to it? Because, I mean, how many times, like, there's just because something is, I don't know, like cinnamon, like, oh, I'll check some cinnamon. Well, what's the efficacy of X number of amount of cinnamon that you might eat per day? Just as a weird example, I know. I don't know. You guys come up with a better example than I do. But let's find out if it's effective or not. So yeah, and what I've built out here are things in real-time order flow analysis. So RTOFA. So real-time order flow analysis.
fib.rty on the 8th.
That's what that's there for. And big workspace here. So afternoon session's feeling pretty dead here. They filled in that gap earlier today that we talked about. Let's go up to the higher time frame and look at that. 11.1 was the pivot, 11 again. So what are we tuned to this afternoon? There's no secret here. Type it in the chat. What is, if you're going to alpha omega tune, or how about we say, if you're going to tune your alpha omegas here on the force for this afternoon, what is your pivot number for this afternoon? Type it in the chat. Hopefully everybody gets this right. It's not a trick question. Use as emergency exit, yeah. I could have required it. They immediately built it into Siri. So Apple devices, you just ask Siri, what song is this? And she doesn't. Well, I don't know how Apple is doing it, but you can do that on Android too. So how is Android doing? Or did Apple just buy it because Android could do it? Hypothesize, operationalize, measure, evaluate, replicate, revise, report. Very good, Curtis G. It's why we pay him the big bucks. Big brains. Right. Experiment. Morning from Australia. Is it morning in Australia? What time is it there where you're at, MJ? Right now it's the afternoon. Here we go. 15 seconds till the bottom of the hour. Here we go. Here comes a level 15. All right, let's see if we get a trap and move. Stay inside the golden ropes, top side. Look where we're at on the 89s. I mean, we just sitting in here. All right, here's 2:30. Let's see if we get any movement off of the bottom of the hour. 5:30 a.m. there. Oh, it's really early. There you go. You get up early to, hey, way to go. It's a great way to start your day. Why not? What's your routine when you have to get up that early? Like, do you just roll out of bed, go straight to the desk? Tell me your routine kind of thing. Do you get, you're a morning person, take a shower kind of thing, get out, shower, then drop over to your desk? You one of those workout freaks where you got to like work out in the morning before you get to your desk? Like, what's your routine? You just got to roll out of bed and hit your PC? What's your thing for you super duper early birds? Or for you particularly. Not everybody's, you know what I mean? How do you approach your desk, sir? Oh, that's pretty cool. Missile says he plays BF3 for a few minutes to kick off your reflexes. Hey, that's pretty, pretty cool, actually. 4 a.m.ish, grind some coffee beans, morning shower is a must. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I like the morning shower if I can, if I have time, but usually I'm running out of bed and kids are already screaming, ready to like need diaper changes. We're in that diaper change phase, so multiples with diapers and stuff. So hopefully we're getting one out of diapers here soon. Down to one in diapers. Really, you're growing up too fast. So slow. then market replay, then Apex. Hey, I like it. Speaking of like it, Eddie's right. Let's hit that like button. If you listened to Ace of Base in your youth, smash the like button. Here we go. I'm on the West Coast. I have to get up at 6 to be ready for the 9:30 open. I roll out of bed, try not to wake up my wife, open my checklist and no list. Oh, okay, okay. Dork hits the like. Be like Dork. Dynamite, out of sight, radical kid. Be like Dork. Smash the like button. $3:36. About 24 minutes to the close. So a couple of events to look out for here this afternoon. What are they? We've got the 350 algo coming. We've got Lucky Sevens coming. We've already hit the BTFD or STFU set up there at 3:30. That's gone by 5 minutes already. And I really didn't see too much coming out of that. We popped up into that zone again, and looks like we're leaving it now. Let's look for four-legged dog traps. Some of my favorites. 1, 2, 3. If we get a four-legger. Me too. I love the third-person references from Dork. I do too. I like the personality. Okay, there's the fourth leg. See if they set the trap. Back up. I can say something is about to go. How do I know? Look at this. Look at that pile up. We got like a 52 car pile up here on the freeway. So best plays are going to be outside of the fiddle zone. So I'd love to see this pop up and out of here first before we get a burst. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. Absolutely. Should feel good. Feels good to be a dork. Or a nerd. Never-ending radical dudes. For real.
DCDM
can I ask why RTY and not NQ? Why not? Yeah, we switched over to RTY with all of the crazy volatility, the war news that was going on, the macro drama from Obama, the drama from Obama, who is, of course, pulling the purse strings of all of the Democratic Party, and Kamala, and Trump getting shot, and inflationary issues and biggest dump day sell-offs, etc. And brokers writing us to say, hey, we've doubled, tripled, quadrupled margins, etc. Yeah, and then we were doing so well with RTY as far as its pacing, and I mean Enigma, we had 13 winners in a row of Enigmas. It's almost hard to find an Enigma loser. Like, let's zoom back here. Like, let's just look up here, even on the high time frame. Enigma winner, Enigma winner, Enigma winner, 11.1 winner, 20.5 winner, winner. Let's find a loser. Can we find one? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners in a row. Let's see if we go back farther. 6, 7, 8. 8 winners in a row. No losers on the RTY4s. It's just stats. Stats, bro. You like stats? Mr. Tamir Babala? Are you an ICT fanboy?
What can be unburdened
RTY on
by what has been? What can be unburdened 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 by what has been?
Over and over and over. Kamala. Saying the same thing over and over. Somebody told her that sounded smart. She's like, I'm going to say it again. I'm going to say it again. I'm going to make it my slogan. I'm going to get a hunter. I'm going to get a hunter hat. Since we shoot presidents, you know. We're the party that shoots presidents, and our son Hunter. So we're gonna get hunter hats. So we could be camouflaged and hide. I mean, their new hat. Have y'all seen the Kamala hat? Oh, happy to have you, my friend. We do have a payment program now. We've never had it like we've got it right now. Payment program there, $24.99. Pay 10 months and it's yours lifetime. All the goodies. Kamala Chameleon. Yeah, have y'all seen the hat? Type a 1 in the chat if you have seen the new Kamala Waltz Hunter hat. If you've not, somebody post a picture of it there in the Discord. Yeah, they're like, oh, well, Trump's got a hat. We need a hat. See, the thing is like, it actually costs you something to wear a MAGA hat because of all these idiots who will literally threaten your life. You had to have ball sack to wear a MAGA hat into anywhere, right? To wear one of these stupid hunter hats, who gives an F? Who gives a crap? Who gives a crap? Worth nothing. You're wearing a camo hat and you've never shot a gun. Ooh, congratulations, you're stupid. Hey, boo-boo. Only you can prevent forest fires. Exactly. Why is it camo? It's camel toe. She should have, like, they should all wear camel toe pants instead of camo hats. They could wear camel toe pants and that would be more appropriate. In the Democratic Party, even the men have camel toe. Call it Kamala toe. It'd be amazing. I mean, that stuff would be funny. That's funny right there. Camouflage. Oh my. Yeah, what are they doing wearing hunter hats? Just get them all yoga pants with a camel toe drawn on the front. Because they're all pussies. Send me my check. I don't want to work. All right, let's watch this cluster area here. Remember that big white line we got down there? Looks like we're probably going to come back down there and revisit. Let's see if they're going to defend. Let's see if they're going to defend that white line, or if as we break it, we're just going to drop out. Let's see. Take a look. Look, we have shifted from buy side. Now we are sell, and we have stayed over here. We've gone red, bright red, red, bright red. So as of right now, we want to look for a short setup here. Get an Enigma in here, get a double cross, a clean one. Yeah, they're it's basement time again. We're not gonna answer any questions, okay? Just like my personality. Just like my cackle. So funny. I'm likable. Okay, Kamala. Okay, where are they getting jailed for memes? Is that Australia? Are they doing that in the UK as well? Where all is that happening? Just curious. I mean, I've heard this rumor. What do we know? The getting jailed for memes thing. Is that Australia? The prison continent? They want to get locked up again? It's in the UK? What? Oh man, post me a link. Post me a link in Discord. Like, I'm curious. I want to check that out. That's crazy. Like, how long do you get jail time for? Is it a life sentence? Is that like a weekend deal? Is that like a you're jailed until you take it down thing? Like, what's the deal? I mean, how did go to jail for how long? Crazy.
Well, they should be jailed, I tell you. Words are violence.
Are they?
Yes. You disagree with me, it hurts my feelings.
What about my feelings? You disagree with me, it hurts my feelings. So?
Well, I'm allowed to hurt your feelings because I'm special.
Why are you special?
Because I have a special kind of vertigo. Yeah. No, I didn't get it from working out too much. No, I'm totally natty. I don't take testosterone at all. Totally natty. I don't have roid rage. You have roid rage. Not me. It's not my hormone imbalance. It's your hormone imbalance. Is it? It's funny. Ooh, 13.2. What was our number up top? 13. Okay, here we go. Here's the 350 algo right now. 350 algo kicking in right now. How come I didn't get my 2-minute warning, by the way? Where's my 2-minute warning? Is it not working on RTY? Oh my word. 350 algo warning, and it's yellow. Why am I not getting it? All right, gotta look into that bug. All right, 350 algo, and let's see if they're going to, let's see if they breach. I'm hearing sellers. Here's king timing. Always got to be aware of the trap. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit to see these bars. $15.7. Okay, we're clustering up. We got to be very careful here now. Clustering up here at the end. This means we could get a move and it could just continue to move and move and move and move. All right, which way is it going to be? This is going to be cool. Lucky sevens. When it starts its move, do not try to reverse it. Let's see if it's going to be... I mean, it looks like it's to the south right now. All right, I'm going to tap in here and just see if we can get a hold. Lucky sevens is coming up in 45 seconds. Then again, I mean, they very well may defend that and run it up. And if it runs, whichever way it starts to run, we're just going to hold it. Or I say we. I'm just going to hold it. Y'all do whatever you want to do. I'm gonna have to stop just in case we start getting crazy. You know how it is. Start to rip and trip.
Yeah, I'm gonna close it there. Here at buyer's step again. Once that goes on a run, we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna go 5s and try for a hold. Looks like a lot of clustering of AOs, so expect that whatever move it goes in, it's just going to keep on. Currently, MACV Ultimate is red, so I want to look for an entry short. Had one here, but we've come back to it, so we'll see if we get another opportunity for it. If we start to run up and they trap them down below and we just run and run and run and run and run, I'll ride that way too. Got a nice target up here, big juicy. Got plenty of time, got 5 minutes. We did come up with a 10.8 here, so we have to be aware of that. It's going to go one way or the other, and I just want to see if I can hold it till the close. Look for the trap. Was that before? I mean, it's close. That could be the trap. One of these. It's this one or this one. Let's find out. I'm gonna take a sip of coffee. Watch, I take my hand off the keys and now it's gonna go. Watch, here it is. I'm picking up my coffee can. All right. Left hand buy, right hand sell. Looks like a trap and a stair stepper up to me. Got my finger over the buy. Give me a reason. They defended that white line once. Remember that one was from way earlier today. Two minutes to the close. So just one trade this afternoon so far. Are we going to start to move at the end of day? That is the question. Or are we just going to rest here? And we start again tomorrow. We did a lot of training this morning. Mentorship Monday. We chatted. Oh, here we go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot. I mean, I'm going to stop below the cross, but I'm here in buyers. I got 13.7. We protected that before. I'm going to add my stop just in case it gets crazy. I'm going to click add stop. Okay, not totally nuts. I'm going to put it back behind the cross in case we don't, but I'm here in buyers. Step in end of day. Coming off of that previous line where we had 4,000 plus buy in there this morning. There we go. There we go. All right, there we go. Oh, I tried to get 5K. I missed it by $5. Somebody send me a $5 coffee donation. Come on. I just hit 4,995. I need $5. All right, I'm going to go Superstition Buster. Superstition Buster.
Speed of RT.
Don't wreck me.
4.
The giant cluster there. Going for $5. See if it's got a little extra squirt in it. The $5 superstition. Yeah, no joke. It's not even going to give me $5. It's not going to do it. Give me my $5. I'm in the cluster. Oh, big cross came in on the 4s. This does not act like NQ at all, does it? NQ would be moving. RTY's like, nah, I don't really move. People move for me. I don't move for you. You move for me. Oh my goodness. Another one? Okay, they are dumping here. Boo. Boo! Oh, the superstition. It has won again. The cluster worked. Sort of. All right, so let's see. 5 small. And do we just continue? I think we do. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna take all these off and I'm going to place stop only of the cluster. I think it's gonna be funny. The trolls are already like, "Oh, for $5, you lost money for $5." Who cares? Like, you guys, like, you trolls just crack me up. You trolls, you crack me up. You really do. Boo-hoo. Don't care. Don't care, bruh. You care. You gotta learn to have a little fun in life, bro. Oh, you're just playing? Well, you never talk. So Victor comes over here like, oh, I'm just playing, mentor. Bro, this guy never talks. Hey, ban Victor. All right. Victor never talks, ever. And all of a sudden he wants to talk today. He's like, oh, I'm not a troll. He's never here, but all of a sudden he's like, oh, take a loser. Now I'm going to talk. Go talk to yourself. Go call your mom and make sure you deliver my burgers hot and on time, bro. Get back to your Uber route. Yeah, go ahead and send Victor on his way.
Along on the RTY4.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, so I'll work that out, but the trolls have already arrived, so thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and Eddie B, I am sending out the Big H-Town. Don't forget, back to school. See ya! Art team. Show these trolls how it's done, and have some fun on me.
The old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use, they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Delta 5 loading. Long. Look for a long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. Down on freeze. Order filled. Target filled.